This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for always coming back to support your baby girl. You all know how we roll on this channel guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all for always coming back to support me. And if you're new to my channel and you subscribe right now, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. You guys are so amazing. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end. And see you on my next video. Bye. Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. For me, Sexyosas, I'm doing pretty good. Okay guys, this week guys, oh my goodness, a very old wig. Oh my god. Yes, I've been using it for over 2 years now and it's still looking this way. So guys, I'm going somewhere very fast and I decide to film this, you know, just to show you guys what you can do with your old wig. Okay, you don't need to throw it away, you just need to do something with it guys. So just watch me as I style this my wig without gel or spray gel. Yeah, I don't know how to put the word guys. Yeah, so all you need is just to get your hairband. You can use any type of hairband you want. Okay, so like me, I'm just using this one today. Oh my goodness. Okay, you have your choice to use. Okay, so that is it guys. So you see, it's very simple and easy. You just need to wrap everything the way you want it to be, you see, and you don't really need lots of work to do. Okay, if you want to brush your hair, you can do it the way you want, but for me, I just decide to leave this coils like this. I don't want to touch it, I don't want to brush it, I just want to put my finger through, you know. That is just it guys. You can do it the way you want. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Thank you for always supporting me. You know, lots of people have been telling me to be doing voiceover. I don't. Anyway, I'm trying my best, you know, to make my people okay. All right guys, this is just it. So I just want to take some out, you know, just to make it go high, little high. Yeah, that is it guys. You can also do it the way you want it. Okay, I'm just trying to give you my own style, the way I want my own to be. That is just it guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back. Oh my goodness. You know, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. Okay, so for those of you that send me message, don't worry, I'm going to still reply you all. Okay, so that is it guys. So guys, don't forget to check out Osas TV, Osas fashion page, Osas game sense. Oh my goodness, I have the last one, Osas food and kitchen guys. Go there to support me. You guys are so amazing. You guys have been doing amazing job on my channel. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. As you can see, the hair, oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful guys. That is just, I just have to pull it back a little. As you can see, oh my god, just to make it look different, you know. Actually the wig is 3, I think it's lace frontal guys. Yeah, So that is just it, you know, very simple, quick and easy, you know. So you don't need to bother yourself going through how to, I don't know how to put the word, guys, how to style your hair, you know. It will take a lot of your time, yeah, but this way for me is okay, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye.